As an editor, you may recognize this situation. You want to tweak an article that's already published on your website, but when you make and save your changes, they instantly show up for visitors to see. And that's not what you want. You want the changes to be visible only after all modifications are done. Luckily, now you can do that. Prepr introduces drafts for published content items. Previously, when you make changes to a published content item, they would instantly become visible instead of following the usual workflow of to do, in progress, review and done. And this meant that changes were published immediately upon saving, without giving you and your co-workers the opportunity to properly review the item. But from now on, when you edit a content item that was already published, its publication status will automatically change to unpublished changes. You can make changes as many times as you need, and when it's ready to be published, you can either publish it or schedule it for future publication. Let's look at the various states that a content item can be in. When you create a new content item, it is not published yet and the task is still set to be done. When you make changes to the item, it is automatically marked as in progress. And when you publish the content item, it is marked as published and the task is marked as done. And finally, if you decide to make changes after the item is published, it is marked as having unpublished changes and the task is set to in progress again. With these updates, we've also made improvements to the list of content items and the Kanban board. The workflow stage and SIE information are now combined and are shown together and appear before the title of the item. When you hover over the workflow status, you'll see a summary of the statuses of content items in different languages. The publication status is now shown at the end of the row. When you hover over the publication status, you can see the exact time the item was published. If there are multiple languages, the publication statuses and times for those languages are also displayed. With these improvements, managing and publishing content items becomes even easier. Plus, these enhancements give you more control over when and how changes become visible. When creating this feature, we went through multiple iterations to make sure it works smoothly. However, if you have any ideas to make it even better, please contact us at feedback@prepr.io. We'd love to hear from you.